Hello, my name is James Matard and I will assist your company as you plan to build your new department store in our community and attain LEED or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design certification. In this short presentation, I will discuss the scope, implications, and outcomes of this worthwhile endeavor to help you better understand the process and benefits of gaining this certification. After speaking with members of your construction oversight team, we determined that it is a reasonable goal to achieve this LEED certification prior to your store opening of November 27, 2020. Since the department store is in the building and construction phase, the type of certification we will be seeking is Building Design and Construction, or BD+C. There are levels of certification determined by points attained in the analysis, and I believe with your coordination and my previous experience with these applications, a gold level of this certification is a reasonable goal for your store. You'll see in this graphic here showing air quality, which is one of the many things that we will be analyzing during the certification process, can lead to an impressive 11% increase in worker productivity, a statistic any store owner will appreciate. With regards to implications of the certification process, I've already met with members of your company and will continue to do so. I have included the major steps and the costs of application certification depending on the type sought after and the square footage of your store, which I discussed with members of your company before making these calculations. Here you can see the costs for pre-certification, registration, and the cost for the certification type, which is based on your square footage. I will help to pre-certify your company, complete the registration, organize and submit the application correctly the first time to avoid any delays that will prolong the process and waste more time and resources. In order to pass our inspection and gain certification, we will first analyze the greenhouse gas and energy water use of the building. Since the store will be built similar to other sister stores with the same layout and size, we will research into their weekly, monthly, and annual energy water consumption, especially those in similar climates such as Florida and Texas, as we analyze air conditioning use specifically. Next, I will confirm that building materials and resources used for construction are within standards. I'll gather construction plans to determine if all materials and insulation are in adherence to the LEED standards, so the temperature control and air quality of the store is optimized. Lastly, I will assess how much natural lighting will be provided in the building. I'll be comparing window size and locations including in plans in our sister stores to LED standards to ensure enough natural lighting will be provided in the store. This is a timeline of our whole process with projected dates of completion of each step and a brief description of what we will achieve in these steps. I've also included contingencies in case of any setbacks throughout the process to ensure we stay on track and complete everything prior to the opening date. There are multiple positive outcomes of achieving the certification. I will briefly highlight them in the next two slides. First, it will drastically improve the air quality, temperature control, and natural lighting for employees and customers, which will make the store more comfortable to be in for everyone. Customers will want to be in your store, which will boost sales, and your happier employees will be better workers and help the store function as best as possible. As shown in this table here, better lighting conditions in your store can result in a 15% increase in productivity among employees. When you have a store with hardworking employees that enjoy what they're doing, the customers observe this immediately and they in turn will want to return to the store and have a better shopping experience. With regards to direct financial advantages of gaining certification, studies show that companies that have achieved the certification are experiencing a return on investment of 20% or more due to reduced energy usage, and many of these buildings are using 30 to 50% less water and energy, and they're qualifying for tax benefits. These are significant values that will continue to benefit the company throughout its duration. Additionally, your attention to the triple bottom line will improve your image to investors as you will appear as a company that is forward-thinking and concerned about the future. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to working with you all throughout this process that will help to improve our planet, better the lives of your employees, and improve the profit and outlook of your company. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we will be in contact soon.